Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Victor Galan, a 34-year-old boy from Madrid who really loves these stock markets. We're gonna make a special video today because we're gonna make it on English, not in Spanish, what we use to speak in Twitter or on YouTube. So we're gonna make a special video for those who can speak Spanish. So everyone in the Europe, US, or in another country could understand us. And if you really appreciate the content and the things that we were saying here, please give it us a like and let us a comment to make new videos in the forthcoming months. We're gonna see the stock markets. We're gonna make a small summary from the last week. Let's see if there is anything really important to notice, and let's start because we have some charts to see. Well, firstly, we have here the NYSE, the New York Stock Exchange. It has more than 300 companies, so it could be very interesting to see how it is performing. Today we have a very not very special performing because we have here in small. I can't see it very well, but I think it is going up. But we have from the last COVID crisis, we have a skyrocketing trend. You can see this plenty double. Yeah, it was double 100% the value of the last year. And we have here the volume, the advancing and declining volume. And we have a very special thing here because we have this line which is 5, and we can see on Friday the 9th of July, as it happens in the mid of May, that the volume which is increasing and advancing is 5 times more than which is decreasing. So it has a buying condition on the market. So very special. We have the McClellan information. It is close to going up through 0. And we have also the percent of stocks about the moving average, which is died down. It has a good response because it means that we have all-time highs on the New York Stock Exchange, and we have decline in the percentage of average of moving average of companies, which is declining. It has a power response, and it could be that in the future we have more and more new highs in the New York Stock Exchange. Even it could be that it could be maybe going up too much. It could be even threat past, but I think that I'm very positive with the US market, because I see very important opportunities on it. Now we're seeing the daily charts. We're gonna see the SP 500, of course, with the skyrocketing trend, with an uptrend from 2000 in May on the COVID crisis. Now we have all-time highs in 4,373. We have 2 double bottoms here. One of them is accomplished, and the other one, I think, of course, the goal was 4,350. So we have no resistance in the index, and we have some important points to support. One of them, of course, in the short term is 4,100. The second one is in the other double bottom, 4,055, and we have also in the midterm 3,852 and 3,719. This is the key important points on the S&P 500. Let's see now the Nasdaq. Here we have the Nasdaq with a side trend in the last months, but now in the last weeks we have a new recovery. We have another double bottom, which I talk about on Twitter. I thought that it was important in the support, just in 12,900. It was important, and now we have to see that we are on 40,900 more or less. So let's see if we can make maybe some support in the EMA, in the exponential median average for 30 days, which is now on 14,200. So let's see if we can make some support and we get some breath, and again we continue going up. Of course, the Nasdaq on weekly chart, it is one of the best American index and one of the best in the world, of course. Well, we have here the inflection chart. Now there is a big debate about if the inflection is transitory or not transitory, and we have here a very good correlation. We're gonna talk about it because the samples in orange are the period about 1972, where the inflection was not transitory, it was permanent. And we have in the right side here the mostly of the samples in orange, and we have here in blue and in green transitory inflection, which is 1995 and nowadays from 2009 and 2021. And what we have seen in the chart is that there is some correlation, and by the moment green and blue are not transitory. Transitory would be in the right side. So by the moment, the information, the data, the samples we have, seems that the inflection doesn't matter too much. Even the data is quite worried because it's quite high. And just to finish, we're gonna see some interesting companies, two of them. One of them well known in the US, Bank of America. We have here a good uptrend from $17 just to 42. So it's a good rally. And we have the moving average uptrend going up, and we have very close now what it could be a double bottom on daily. We have here $38 and 42, and if of course we go up this price, this 42, we will have one support, another support, and clearly resistance. So if we pass through the $42, could be an interesting goal or target of 45.62. There would be the target of double bottom from Bank of America, and of course we'll continue the uptrend. So good notice for a good sector. And last but not for least, less important, we have Moody's, which is another US company that I bought some weeks ago. Why? Because it is an uptrending line with the candles you see here. We have 372 the price in dollars, and we have a very interesting support here in 2052. And once it was break the path of 304, we have here a very interesting looking in the indicator. So I think it's buying conditions. It is stronger than the SP 500, which is a lot, and has a good momentum here in this indicator. So hope you like this small video. If you like, we can do it more in the forthcoming months. Thanks for sharing, thanks for giving me a like, and we will see you in another video. Thanks for watching.